Pencils, calculators, and deodorant. The sticky start to the masked school year has some teachers calling on kids to bring a unique list of supplies this year. As Chris Ty reports, the lack of AC in one Will County district is making for a historically tricky return to school.
Students come back from the extremely hot lunchroom with sweat pouring down their faces.
The kids with allergies become so inflamed, their eyes are red and itchy, and they can't concentrate.
The papers we pass out are curling because of the humidity.
Their classrooms in the mid-80s for a building in its mid-90s.
This building is about 1928.
We walk the sticky, air-conditioned free halls of Crete Elementary with the superintendent around here who admits
we've always dealt with some warm summers coming in, but never with a mask mandate.
We shouldn't even be at this point, but we are.
The point Jamie Healy's kids are at, being told to bring unique school supplies this first week back.
Bring deodorant, bring extra water because they don't have water fountains.
Nor did they have voter support. Last spring, 57% of Crete-Monee voters rejected a $65 million plan to build new schools.
This community has a reputation for failing referendums.
At a Tuesday school board meeting, the assistant superintendent explained how the classrooms actually cook.
I will tell you this, they'll start heating up around 10 o'clock in the morning. They start cooking. Because they're brick buildings.
Today my thermostat said it was 96 degrees with a feels like temperature of 106 degrees due to the humidity.
Do you stand behind that this is a legitimate educational environment?
Clearly, this is not ideal. We know it is hot.
Parents don't know why the district, which ends the school year in May, didn't slide the start of this unique school year into next month. So we asked that question.
The heat generally will go all the way until sometimes the end of September. And then we also have the problem with June. June is equally as hot.
With lights off and fans on and masks on, those filling these seats struggling to cool and concentrate. A first week back unlike any their parents or grandparents ever had to contend with.
You can't take as much in as you normally could if you're sweating and you just feel icky.
And while we were here today, we saw as city emergency crews showed up to school because sources tell us one staffer passed out from the heat inside. The superintendent says all schools in the district will have air conditioning by 2023. In Crete, Chris Ty, CBS 2 News.
And if there are days where the heat is particularly stifling, the state has instructed school districts to use e-learning days. Each district has 5 to use this year.